have a unique method to do the chapati. So I'm using here the press machine. Take any covers, cut it into round shape and smear the oil. So like that. And now I'm placing one dough in the center and just gently pressing it. Wow, look at the result. Now I am placing the pressed chapatis on the tawa. So now I am making one more chapati in the same manner, keeping the dough in the center, smear some oil, keep another cover, and then press it. That's all. It is pretty much easy way to press the tortilla. So when you are tired, roast the tortilla well. You can see the swollen chapatis. So now it's time to take it out.